empakeze tebekanisiibwa hitendekere ry'Ibanda University kandi abazana 98 okurwa muri Ibanda hamwe n'endijo myanya mu ihanga ryona nibo bazetabiremo. Abdul Wagodo Shakur okurwa muri Gambit Chess Club Kampala no wazingire bwa nyuma yo kusinga abande 70 yone zanorwe.
I found the tournament harder than I expected it to be. At least some rounds people have been harder than they should have been since it's their first time. I know with time they will get better, and at least we shall be coming. I know they will get stronger. It has been their first time, so next year when they make, they'll have to improve.
Tournament yo kubanza muri Ibanda district. Ekine kintu chango tukira kugira tournament mu Western region zukomambara konka hati twabasa kubantu ijaha Ibanda University chess yazanwa twafuna abantu kurwo mu different institutions twinabo kurwo mu universities Makerere, Mbara University, Mountains of the Moon University.
Omakuragande nko muringo gumwe go kutungura ebyemizano hamwe n'entaranta omenyeto amagombora 5 nigo garayitabo mu mpaka zandagaire Christmas Cup ezo mwaka ogwo. Ebi byahame bwerizoba aha mukoro go kutongoza empakezi kandi timwe zirayitabemo ziri mu Masheruka Town Council, Cyanjanyi, Kachindo Town Council, Kigarama hamwe ne Gombora ya Masheruka kandi buri team yahebwa uniform hamwe n'empira.
Atwanjora tukorese kurundi munonga kandi obwire bukuza ahabishayi byeyituko barashye tuzayo tajuro mpira tuzano omuzano gw'empira ako omuzano gw'empira n'omuzano murundi munonga nugutugita twena guterana hamwe wana korebisa size no wana bukora ahubwo burunji bw'amagara gawe ushanga imbyamagara utakwatondwara ndwara omukutwaraza hamwe mbuye n'omuzano n'umurundi munonga.
Empakeze nezo kutandika ebiro 20 ebyo kwezo ku gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe na Mike Twachire.